Hello guys, welcome to first video in Android application development tutorial. I already have another two Android application development tutorial series, but now many methods are duplicates. New API are developable. So for getting more recent update on Android platform, here I recreated tutorial for you. So if you have a previous experience in Android, you can skip 1 to 3 video in this tutorial series. Then you can follow this tutorial series getting the recent update. And if you beginner in Android application development, you can start from the first video in the self. So in the first video we can learn some introduction to was Android. So here I created simple presentation that give you some simple introduction to watch Android. So now we can start this presentation. Android is an operating system mainly for smartphone. But now you can find Android in your tab, television, TV, set-top box, watches, and even in your car. Android are rich application framework that allow you to develop innovative app and get game for your mobile device. Java is the official development language for Android, but in Google I/O 2017, Google introduced another language in Kotlin as an official language. Now we have two programming language for Android development, Java and Kotlin. In this tutorial series, we are going to use Java for app development. Android is developed by Open Handset Alliance led by Google. Android user Linux and its kernel. Android is an open source operating system. Anyone can be an app developer, and the tool needed for the app development is freely available on this web. Android uses a specially virtual machine for run your apps called Dalvik virtual machine. You can develop an Android app and make it available for use through Google Play Store. You can earn money from your app through in-app purchase and by placing ad on your app. Every year Google releases a new version of Android. On the date of creation of this video, the latest version of Android is Android Oreo version 8.0 API level 26. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for getting more tutorial updates.